What if I told you that your future wealth, health, relationships, even your happiness comes down to something so tiny it feels almost laughable? I'm talking about habits. Yep, those sneaky little routines like snoozing your alarm or checking Instagram just for a minute. James Clear's Atomic Habits isn't just another self-help book. It's a system to transform your life without needing to move mountains. Because guess what? You don't need massive change. You need atomic change. Tiny, but mighty. So buckle up, because in the next 7 minutes, you'll learn how to reprogram your life without needing superhuman willpower. And no, there's no secret monk formula involved. Chapter 1. The Fundamentals. Clear kicks off with one truth. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. That's right, it's not your lack of ambition, it's your strategy. Let's say you want 6-pack abs. Who doesn't? Setting a goal is easy, but unless your daily routine includes more push-ups than potato chips, it's just wishful thinking. Clear explains that habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. A 1% improvement every day may sound like nothing, but do that for a year and you'll be 37 times better. Not 37%. 37 times. Still checking your phone? Stick with me, it gets better. If you had to repeat only one habit forever, would you choose flossing? Or binge watching Netflix in bed? Be honest. We're watching. Chapter 2. The 4 Laws of Behaviour Change. Now here's where it gets tactical. James Clear introduces 4 rules that shape every single habit you have. Cue, craving, response, and reward. Want to build a good habit? Make it obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Trying to ditch a bad one? Flip the script. Make it invisible, unattractive, hard, and unsatisfying. Let's say you want to drink more water. Put a bottle on your desk, obvious. Make it a sleek, aesthetic bottle, attractive. Keep it filled, easy. Reward yourself with a tiny dance every time you finish it, satisfying. Okay, maybe skip the dance at work, or don't, live your truth. But here's the kicker. Even the best formula falls apart if your identity isn't aligned. Chapter 3. Identity-based habits. Most people focus on outcomes. I want to lose 20 pounds. But Clear flips the script. Focus on identity. Instead of saying, I'm trying to run, say, I'm a runner. Why? Because every action you take is a vote for the person you want to become. You're not reading books, you're a reader. You're not saving money, you're a wealth builder. Subtle difference? Maybe. But your brain listens, and once your identity shifts, your habits follow. Now, if you've ever said, I'm just not a morning person, stay tuned, because the next part might blow your mind. What if I told you your environment, not your motivation, is the biggest factor in your success? Let's go there. Chapter 4. Environment Design. We think we're in control, but often we're just reacting to our environment. Ever walked into a kitchen and eaten a cookie without thinking? Yeah, that's not a lack of willpower, that's brilliant design, by the cookie. Clear says, don't rely on motivation, rely on environment. Want to play guitar more? Put it on the couch. Want to scroll less? Delete the app from your home screen. Design beats discipline. Because when your environment is set up for success, your habits almost happen by accident. Yes, you can trick yourself into being awesome. If you're thinking, okay, I'll just throw my phone into the ocean, that's commitment. But maybe try Do Not Disturb first. Chapter 5. Staying consistent. Here's where most people fall off. Consistency. Clear introduces the 2-minute rule. Want to build a habit? Make the first step take under 2 minutes. Read more? Start by reading 1 page. Work out more? Put on your gym shoes. The point isn't to stay small, it's to start. Because once you're in motion, momentum takes over. And if you miss a day, don't miss twice. That's the golden rule. So what's the big idea? You don't need to overhaul your life. You just need to master the small things, again and again. Your habits are the architecture of your identity, your success, your future. Build them well, and they'll build you back. And hey, if one book can shift your habits, imagine what else is possible. Curious what the next level looks like? Hit subscribe, because we're just getting started.